welcome to our itlog episode this morning. I'm gonna have a experiment, mag-experiment tag itlog, and not experiment itlog. I'm gonna experiment mixing dried fish, spinach, and itlog. So yun, that's what I want to say. So dried fish over here. And I'm gonna drop my onion, garlic, and ginger. And salt and pepper is already added sa akong egg. And let's drop the spinach. Guys, because I don't want to waste this, and it's been in the refrigerator for 4 days already, or 5 days, so try to make use of that.
Siya mabungka, guys. Sana hindi siya mabungka. Maybe I need to spatula. That's it. Wish me luck, people. There you go. Not bad. You got it. It's overflowing. It's okay. Got it to over here.
Here is my final plate, guys. I sprinkled some onion fresh from the garden, and this is the first time we made this dried fish spinach omelette. It's just out of experiment because of our leftovers. So if you guys have these ingredients, definitely try this. It saves time instead of frying the spinach or dried fish and an egg by itself. So just why not just put them together, right? So ito ang ating final plate, and of course rice. Looks pretty. And since I have salt, it's a little salty because of the dried fish. I added some mango para mabalance. So there you go. Actually, this is the reality. Ito ang nabungkag. I don't know what's Tagalog in nabungkag. Na So ito is out of 2 eggs. So the other half turns out okay, and the other half is a little messy, but it's still delicious. That's gonna be my leftover. And there you go. Thank you guys for watching and happy eating. I hope you are all doing well. Stay safe. Bye. Halang siya guys because of the ginger, pero overall, lami. So, thank you guys for watching and happy breakfast. Bye.